If your point is Allah is merely planning, it's a neutral thing to do, nothing bad, it's a planning thing, yeah? It's a neutral thing to do, yeah? If that were the case, apply the same meaning because it's the same word which shows up both in regards to Islamic Allah and the people it is talking about before that. Same word. Don't change the meaning of the word, use the same meaning because Islamic Allah is comparing there and he's saying, I am the best. No, let me finish. So my point is, if you think it's a neutral thing to do, nothing bad in that, why was Islamic Allah getting angry with them?
That's what I'm not saying neutral. I
Is
told
it bad?
you.
I'm not going to ask about the Bible to Muslims. I know my Bible. I'm here to ask about the Quran.
When are you going to prepare to answer the question about your Bible?
Well, all the time. I'm ready all the time, especially after we finish the conversation here. I have all the time in the world to spend on my Bible. He is my God and my Savior.
Last time you ran from me.
I ran from you.
You didn't give me time.
Abbas.
3 minutes, remember? I gave you 3 minutes, but you didn't give me 3 minutes.
I gave you 50 odd minutes
No, you didn't.
to ramble on. You
Aaron,
didn't even
Aaron,
wait for me to.
Aaron, you didn't answer
Okay,
my question.
so here is the problem, my dear friends.
What's the problem, Arul?
I am a Christian. Islam claims it has the truth. You follow the Muslim. So you are a Muslim, aren't you? So you follow Islam. Do you think the Bible is accurate, true? Do you think the Bible, the God of the Bible, is trustworthy?
God is the same for all the scriptures.
God is the same.
You know,
So
Bible
I.
God and
What I'd like to present to you is when you say there are two things I'd like to tackle today. Number one, I do not see the God of the Bible to be the same as the God of the Islamic Allah or the Quran. I don't see them to be the same. And I let you know why. That's point number one. Point number two, thinking about the Bible or following Jesus Christ versus following Islam, I am confused and confounded as to how sensible people like you could follow a deceiving Islamic Allah. You know, if you know someone to be a pathological liar, would you trust him?
what is the definition
What's
of
that?
God? Would you trust him?
If someone is a pathological liar, I wouldn't trust him, of course.
What is the definition of pathological liar?
Well, someone who is known, testified, ratified to be a liar.
All right then.
And he lies left, right, and center.
Yeah, it's common sense. Nobody will believe.
Very good. So
Common sense.
that's very good. I really like that idea. How do you, Charles? Good to see you. So I'd like to think sensible people would not follow a pathological liar. Now we find in the Quran time and time again,
Okay.
that Islamic Allah is a deceiver. He deceives people. With me? What is the definition of deceive?
Yeah. Explain.
Say something, do something else.
An
Deceive.
example. An example.
Okay, an example here. I'm going to read to you from Surah 3, Al Imran, Ayah 54. And this version translates the underlying Arabic word as schemed. They schemed and Allah schemed, and Allah is the best of schemers. The underlying Arabic, though, actually is the word which means deceive. They deceived, whoever the they here is, they deceived, and Allah deceived, and Allah is the best of deceivers. Yeah. So if you want a prime example, if you want to have a prime example of a pathological liar, of a pathological deceiver, Quran itself testifies the best example of that pathological liar is the Islamic Allah. That's what it is saying. Allah is the best of deceivers. So I am thoroughly confused as to why sensible people like you, despite the Quran openly telling you the nature of Islamic Allah, even would want to follow him.
So, you know, which context this talk is?
What is the context? Explain to me, please.
What did you get from this whole ayah?
No, I got my idea very clear. It is exactly what it says. Islamic Allah is a pathological liar, deceiver. That's what I find. That's what I find here.
No, that's it confounding in his Bible.
So,
That's your
you see,
biblical God in the
you
Bible.
see,
This meaning.
what's
How
that?
did you get this meaning?
What he
I can explain to you why this particular thing means. Okay, so let me explain to you.
Same question you
No,
had
no.
last time.
We're dealing with this Quran. One
Second
second.
Thessalonians. you want to read your Bible?
Let's
How
deal
the-
with the
how
Quran
the
first.
God
You
of
know,
the Bible?
Abbas's response
Second
to a
Thessalonians
challenge I am
chapter 2
raising.
verse 11.
Abbas's response to a
Therefore,
challenge
God
I am
sends
raising
upon them a strong
is
delusion
that
to
is
make them
that.
believe what is a lie. So God make people believe
You
what
see
is a
Abbas's
lie.
response
This is the
to a
Bible.
challenge
The
that I am
deceiver
raising.
God deceives
You are a
people,
sensible
make
man.
them believe
He
what
is a
lie.
sensible
You are
man.
also a sensible man.
Good,
Yeah.
but he isn't. He is running away. No, he needs to deal with. He needs to deal
How
with
come
what
a
I am
butcher
asking
giving
first.
A lecture about the benefits of vegan.
So you asked
How
me.
can a butcher give
You
us a
asked me
lecture
what I
about the
understand
benefit
from
of
this.
What is the context of this? Yeah.
The context.
Moral and no moral
Then
when you have
after this
bad
question, they'll ask you
example in
question.
your
Yeah.
No. But I'd like you to
We also
engage with
like
the
you-
point.
Yeah. We will also.
I'd like you to assimilate the point I've just mentioned. What is the context? The context is clear.
Yeah.
There are some people who follow Jesus Christ. It's chapter 3, if you read a couple of verses before this, a couple of verses after
You
this.
specified this ayah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll explain and then I'll read. I'll explain and then I'll read.
Aaron, before you
No.
before the answers.
No.
No, I'm not going to say anything. Just want to say one thing. On this topic, which God is a deceiver, next week you want to have a debate with me on
Absolutely.
this topic. Next,
Well done.
next week, this topic,
Good.
both Bible and the Quran, we talk
Very
which
good.
God is a deceiver.
Very good.
Me and you.
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm going to stay out right now.
Good.
No worries.
You are a gentleman. Thank you, Abbas. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Let's do that next week.
They will debate. Finish
So-
the topic. Finish talking about the topic.
Oh,
He want to
Sam.
just
Yeah,
explain
it's the
what
same.
That's
We
good.
can discuss this.
Yeah, that's good.
We can discuss this. We can discuss it next week.
Next
That's
week.
what
No,
I'm saying.
with him. Abbas.
Okay, I can listen, bro. I don't have to talk every day. If I'm
My
learning,
dear
I
friend,
can listen. You
my
and
dear
him.
friend,
Then
my dear
the
friend.
topic will be clear
No,
in my head.
one
No
second,
problem.
one
We just
second.
get his point, then we'll finish.
Very
Yeah,
good.
We are not
So he's
debating.
now.
We're just getting
If
his
you
point.
if you follow religion sincerely, you should be willing. You should be willing to engage with it properly. You can't run away from it and so on. I like Abbas. Abbas is talking about a different scope in discussion, and he understands that, and therefore he wants that to happen next week. So the reason for having that conversation next week is because that's a different scope. Right now, the focus is on the Quran.
Although it's the same scope because
Okay.
you also believe
So
in Bible.
I'll
yeah?
explain. I'll explain what I mean.
The issue what I'm having is,
Yeah.
I can't understand how did you get the meaning.
Good.
This
I'll
way.
explain now.
Just give me the answer.
Good.
to that.
I'll explain. So, just to confirm, to confirm, the meaning I have got after reading things in context clearly is that exactly the fact that it actually says Allah, Islamic Allah is the English. You know what we would mean. In in English what we would say as deceiver. I use the term pathological liar. Remember? I'll explain now. So the context is Christians, disciples, people who follow Jesus Christ. And what it goes on to say is Allah is looking at these people, and Allah is thinking, Islamic Allah is thinking, how can you worship Jesus Christ? You know, that's not Islam. You can't do that.
Brother, I
You
don't know
guys,
which direction are you going? Are you even answering my question? What I'm asking?
I'm
just
answering.
asking you, like, what is the how did you get this meaning of deceive?
I'm answering.
Yeah, because I can't understand how we will link this
If you-
argument with it.
If you
Based
give,
on this,
if
you
you
are
give,
saying
Just give me a
Islamic
simple
Allah is a
answer.
liar.
Like, how did you translate the Arabic into this word?
no. Look, you understand English.
Yes,
You understand context.
a little bit of English. Yes.
The context is clear. The context is simply that Christians are doing something which Islamic Allah is seeing as deception. Have you heard the word, usage of the word mischief in the land used by Islam and Quran widely? That's Islamic Allah's impression of what Christians were doing. Mischief in the land, misbehaving, saying something, doing something else. That is how he sees what they are doing. And then he says, if you want to compete with me in this area, in what area? You say something, do something else. Area. You see what I'm saying?
And they are also doing with the people. They are
It-
deceiving
no,
in the
it-
land.
Doesn't matter.
Look,
So you want?
wait,
no, no.
wait,
Let me
hold on a
finish.
second.
Let me
No, no,
finish.
it's not just like just
Let-
you are speaking.
I'll finish. I'll finish in a. I'll
give-
finish.
I'll let it- let
And then
it-
I'll finish.
He will tell.
Essentially, Islamic Allah has a bad view of the Christians.
Who are
Let me finish, please.
yeah, okay.
Islamic Allah has a bad view of the Christians. And then he says, of this particular bad behavior, I am worse than you, is what he says. I can do this better than you. If I tell you, I am a liar, oh, you are a liar, I am a better liar than you, what do I mean? I am a worse guy than you. That's what it means.
So you are finished now.
Well, so Islamic Allah is a deceiver. You need to deal with that. Yeah.
Let this take aside. Here you are like engaging two things together. Okay. First you are saying like the Allah is seeing the people like Christian, they are misbehaving in the land or making,
Mischief.
cheating. You can
Cheating,
say that.
exactly.
Yeah, it's doing
Yeah.
bad and showing they are good. So what's your opinion on that kind of people? What do you think about that kind of people who are trying to outsmart and showing, no, I am very good, but I am, and they are doing.
Yes, they are pretending. to
If
be good.
look, the definition of God, He sees everything. Okay, He has control of everything, control over everything. He knows everything. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think
Now,
about what they were
just-
doing?
just a minute.
Was that bad?
And He knows. Okay, but you are also confirming that okay, they are doing something bad with
So
the people.
you agree that they were doing something bad?
You also said that. No, I'm not.
I'm
I
not
haven't
saying
said
that. I'm saying the Quran
But-
says that.
Yeah, the Quran said that. That's true. Yeah,
So
the look, let me finish now. People are doing that. Quran says, yeah, they are showing we are good, but they are not. So in that terms, okay, if you are trying to deceive people,
Please,
don't
Abbas,
to be,
later, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It means don't try.
Yeah,
Don't
that's
trying
fine.
to
That's
be,
fine.
don't trying
I know,
to be
I know.
our smart.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what Allah is saying. Don't try to be our smart. Don't try to fool people. I am watching you.
Yeah.
If you are,
See, look,
Because you are not answering my question. That's
he,
why I'm
he has
asking him.
made progress. This is very important.
look,
Yes, go on,
no.
finish.
so what you find contradictory in that context? If
So
people
my-
are trying
my-
to be our smart and
So-
doing bad,
Good.
yeah, with a good intention, very good, like deceiving
So-
people.
Yeah. So we
it's a
have made
statement.
progress
It's
right
a
now.
statement.
So in your view,
Let me finish now.
Okay.
It's an overall statement that don't trying to be our smart. Yeah, I am watching you. So what's contradictory in that statement?
okay. So he has asked a very important question there. Let's see. So in your view, do you agree with me that Islamic Allah saw this behavior as bad behavior? Do you agree with me?
He said, "Makaru wa makarullah." They are trying to be our smart. Yeah, this is what you said already.
No, I'm asking you a
We are
simple.
on that
No.
same pattern.
I'm asking you a simple thing. Now you're running away from my simple
I'm
point.
not running away. I'm here.
Metaphoric.
Yeah,
Metaphoric.
yeah. Okay.
I'm asking you a simple thing.
Yeah.
In this statement, do you see Abbas? Please.
You are talking to me. It's okay.
In this context, in this statement, do you agree with me that the Quran is indicating that those people had a bad behavior? Do you agree with me?
This is what Quran mentioned. Yeah.
So you agree
Those
with
who
me?
are trying to be our smart or
No,
bad
no.
intentions.
I know. No,
This is
listen.
simply Quran.
No, listen to me.
specified.
Please. Listen to me.
That's
please.
right.
No, listen to me. Please.
Okay.
What you're doing right now, just by adding few more words, you are taking away the focus. The focus I'd like to have is on a simple thing.
Also agreed that the people who are trying to be over smart or having bad intention shouldn't call be bad.
No, wait. So do we agree? Please let me know. Do we agree that the behavior that the Quran is talking about here in regards to Christians, in its view, not my view, not your view, in its view, do you agree it is referring to what it thinks is bad behavior?
Not all the people. That's a specific.
I know.
Yeah, you
Whoever,
agreed with that.
Are
whoever.
you agreeing with his meaning?
That's the exact
That's what I am
point.
trying to say him.
Just
I know,
tell
no.
me that, because it's unclear. I don't know.
Please
how to-
please agree. Please
You
let
can
me
search
know.
on Google and search what is the meaning of makarullah.
No. You're this is. Yeah, you can. So yes, but maybe a bit in a bit. So my focus is on no.
Satisfy me with the meaning.
No. Excuse me. We have an English translation. No, wait.
You have English translation, and it's in your hand. I don't know who's written that.
So you can read this. Read.
What's the difference?
No, excuse
You are
me.
reading or me reading? What's the difference?
No. Yeah, I don't know what you're up to right now. I am saying
let me explain then.
you have said what you have said. You have said what you have said. What I am saying
we are
is
listening to you more than you are listening to me. You see that? We are listening to you most of the time.
he was listening to me, not you.
I was also
He
listening
was.
to you.
But the
No,
thing
no,
is,
no.
brother,
All right.
I'm
So he
asking
can
you.
ask you because he was listening to you.
Of course,
Now you can
yeah.
listen to him.
I'm
All right,
ask-
brother,
I'm
ask
asking
him.
you. I'm
Just ask
asking
him the
you.
meaning. How did
I'm
you get the
asking you a
meaning?
simple thing here. Do you agree with me? Well, let me finish. Do you agree with me that the behavior of the Christians, according to the Quran, in Quran's view, not in your view, not in my view, in Quran's view, that they had a bad behavior? Do you agree?
it's about the specific
Bad behavior.
People,
The
not
specific
all.
people, not all.
Let me clear. Do you agree with that?
Absolutely. That's specific people. I'm
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about the specific people. Do you agree the Quran says that they are bad in their behavior?
That's what Quran mentioned.
Good.
It's
That's
what
all
it's
I want
saying.
to know.
That's
That's
what
all
it's
I
saying.
want to know.
Let me.
No, why?
If you agreed on that, it's not about all the Christians.
I'm
Those
fine.
specifically who are doing that.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that.
So
Now-
let me ask you a question.
No. I need to finish this. I need to finish
wait,
this.
Wait.
Okay, go on.
brother. If someone is doing bad in the land
Yeah.
and corrupting,
Yeah.
what's your opinion about them? What do you think about that kind of people?
Well, if someone did bad, it's bad.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay. No. That's what Allah mentioned simply. It's nothing complicated that you can't understand it, and you are saying that.
my focus is not there. I'd like to
Because
make
your
I'd
question
like to
is about
I'd like
Allah.
to I'd like to make a more important point right now.
Yeah.
So we agree the behavior referred to in these people, whoever these subset of Christians, whatever, the behavior is bad. We agree, according to the Quran. Now let's expand. What it says is, you guys did that bad stuff. Allah does the same bad stuff, and Allah is the best in doing this bad stuff. That's what it is saying.
Can you translate
In
it
other
to
words,
bad? Brother, I don't
in
like
other
that.
words, in other words, in other words, in other words, in other words,
After that,
if,
we'll
in
not
other
talk
words, if
this
anyone
question.
would hate, if anyone would,
To the meaning.
if anyone would hate
Adda. This is Adda
the people who are there because they were doing bad stuff, if anyone would hate them, you would need to hate the Islamic Allah the most, because he says, I am the expert in this area. That's what he's saying. And that is where I am confused and confounded. How could sensible Muslims
you are
follow
confused and you
someone
want
who
your
is a
confusion to be
pathological
clear.
liar?
How can you
Let me
put
help
this
you
side
with
to a
the
liar? How can you put this thing to a lie? It's
Do-
not a lie.
Say something, do something else.
Now you are going to another ayah. No.
Say something.
You are yourself confused, brother. Just because it says if they plan bad something, a bad intention about other people, let them know. I am watching them. I am the best of planners.
Oh, no.
That's the
So,
meaning. Whoa,
no,
what happened?
wait a second. Let's try and see if that could be the meaning.
All right.
If the meaning is just a mere planning business, is planning bad?
How did you get the meaning
No.
bad?
Listen to me now.
Where did
You
you
need
get
to.
the bad
No,
part?
you.
Did Allah say I am
You need
planning
to
bad?
get the bad
Look,
part.
did Allah say I am planning bad?
I am responding right now.
All right.
You claim that you listened earlier, and all that I saw you was do the same thing.
No.
Again and again.
Like asking the basic question.
Listen, please.
That's what I'm doing. Right.
So, I'd like to see. Rather than going to some other new topic you have in your mind, you need to engage with the
not
point
even
I am
going to
saying.
anywhere.
So,
I'm just
you need to
bringing
engage
up
with the
the
point.
basic point.
Please.
So okay. Yeah.
So, if your point is Allah is merely planning, it's a neutral thing to do, nothing bad, it's a planning thing, it's a neutral thing to do, If that were the case, apply the same meaning, because it's the same word which shows up both in regards to Islamic Allah and the people it is talking about before that. Same word. Don't change the meaning of the word, use the same meaning, because Islamic Allah is comparing there and he's saying, I am the best. No, let me finish. So my point is, if you think it's a neutral thing to do, nothing bad in that, why was Islamic Allah getting angry with
That's
them?
what I'm not saying neutral. I'm just I
Is
told
it
you
bad?
earlier. Look,
You choose.
Look.
What I'm going to say, just translate the ayah with the meaning planning and read the ayah. Read the translation one time, read it.
I've asked brother earlier
Read it.
about his opinion. If you know some people who are doing bad and trying to be
Why do you say
smart.
bad? Why do you say bad?
Wait. This is what you already said that they
That
are,
is what is there, yeah? You agree with me?
You also agreed with me that
Good.
the people who are doing bad and trying to be very good and showing good intention. What's your opinion on that? You're saying, oh, they're not good. That's what you have said earlier, yeah? If you
I am
think people are showing to be smart, but they are not doing the good. What's your opinion about them? You say, okay, they are not good people. That's what you said before.
No. Listen
You
to me.
agreed on that on me.
I agreed,
Now it's
but
my
let me
turn.
clarify.
Now it's my turn.
Let me clarify. What I said was, I am not making any value judgment
I am
of
not
my.
saying-
Let me finish.
okay.
I am not making any value judgment of my own. I am just saying the word. The verse says that.
Wait. Here,
verse
I ask
says
you
that-
your opinion. We'll talk about verse later. I am asking your opinion. What you think about if you know that set of people,
Which set?
like people who are doing bad and trying to be over smart.
Which-
No, and you know them.
Which bad? I
For
don't know.
example, any bad.
Not any bad. We're talking about a particular group of people here.
Now you are.
So you don't want
now
to
you're
deal with
trying
the
to circle
context there?
things again.
No. I'm trying to deal with the context there.
Context.
Would you like to tell me what bad these people did?
You don't know.
I'm asking you.
You don't know.
Well, I know what it is complaining about.
This is
I
the
know what
debate
it is
between
complaining
you
about.
and Agaba will gonna happen on next week surely. Okay, we'll start from here. We'll come with him.
Agabai will struggle just like
It's
you
okay,
did today.
it's okay.
So my point
We are
is
having a discussion.
good.
Let me just talk.
Let me go on, sir.
Thank you so much, brother. Finally, brother.
That is very nice, yeah.
What I'm saying, my question is, how did you get the meaning deceive from the word makar?
Well, that's apparently the normal usage of the word. Number one, but that's not my entire argument.
Brother, I
My
can
entire
understand
argument.
You are reading Quran and you are having some kind of confusions in it.
No,
with the
there's
meaning.
no confusion. You asked me, I'll
I'm
clarify.
telling you.
No. Did you ask me?
All right, just like a
Did
suggestion.
you ask
can
me
take a
something?
suggestion. You can
No,
take a
but did you
suggestion from
ask me something?
No. I'm
Did
asking
you ask me something?
Yes, I'm asking you.
How did I come to the conclusion? I'm answering
We
right
will
now.
go to the conclusion. Just tell me we are not even clear in the starting point. Because I'm just asking you, how did you get the meaning?
I'm answering right now.
I don't know when will you answer, brother.
I don't know. If you listen, you may.
I
you
think
may
I'm
hear.
listening to you like in 15-20 minutes. But I haven't heard the answer.
Okay, let's read again.
Anyway, because
Because
Let's,
if
okay,
you're
there we
talking
go.
about the word
Are you
answer-
listening now?
No, I'm talking.
Okay, so I'd like to see when you're going to listen to me. Go
Yeah,
on.
you will show because you have to listen to me. Then
Go
you
on.
will know when I'm talking, alright? So, Brother Amar, I'm asking you is, when you see the meaning of the word, go to the translation, or you can search it on the Google, what is the meaning of the word makar. You will see that. It's just the planning, it's the meaning of planning. When you read this ayah, with the
Next week we'll see,
meaning
brother.
that it
Yes,
is saying planning,
surely. Okay,
the whole meaning will be changed.
We'll
Okay,
discuss
are
next
you
week.
are
you
you
do it?
happy? Are you happy? Have you
We
made
are
your
not
point?
talking about the happiness here.
Yeah,
Are you
okay.
satisfied?
Well,
You've
nice to
communicated
talk to you,
something?
brother.
We are not
Nice to
even
meet
talking
you.
about
Good to
the
see you.
satisfaction.
Next
If
time,
you need to move
sure.
on.
Yeah.
My point simply is two entities are being compared here. Two entities' behaviors are compared here. Entity number one are a subset of Christians, in a subset of Christians in this view. Their behavior, they schemed,
get to the behavior,
no,
brother. I can't
their
go to the behavior because we
behavior
haven't
versus
cleared the basis
Allah's
now.
behavior.
No, brother.
Their
We can't
behavior
go
clearly,
directly to
according to
this
that
point.
verse, is given a negative connotation. Their behavior is looked down on by Islamic Allah, meaning their behavior, their scheming, in Allah's view, was bad. That's how He portrays it here. My simple point is, I don't want to define this word.
we have to
I am
give-
going with the
Brother,
definition.
trying to say,
Just one
yeah,
final
I am
suggestion.
say
When
bad.
coming to
I am
you-
trying.
can't say
I am.
bad
I am
thing
saying. I am saying. If you read that verse, just one verse,
Yes.
two people are scheming, and Islamic Allah thinks the other person who is scheming, which is a subset of Christians, is bad. That speaks. Scheming in itself is bad. If that is the case, apply the same connotation, because Islamic Allah is using the same connotation. You are doing that, I can do that, and I can do that even better than you, is what he is saying.
No.
So if they were doing bad stuff, Islamic Allah is doing worse stuff. Pathological liar.
it's not the
Please,
correct
please bring me,
understanding.
please
don't
bring me,
think you are
I
too
suggest
smart.
you when
Yeah?
you are
please,
coming next
please
week,
bring me your
please.
argument next week. You
I'm
can
gonna
come and help
suggest you.
your other.
What happened there, Arul?
Essentially, the challenge we'd like to present to Muslims is this very simple thing. We are comparing the reliability of two worldviews. Christian worldview based on scriptures, the Bible, and the God of the Bible, versus the Islamic worldview based on the Quran and the Islamic Allah. And there, my challenge is, how could a sensible person, any sensible person, how could they believe in a pathological liar? In a pathological liar. Why? And this is according to Quran's own confession, the Islamic Allah. He is a pathological liar. Why do I say that? It isn't my view, it is the view of the Quran, like I said. Quran clearly says, it's comparing two different people here. Surah 3, Ayah 54. And they schemed, they deceived, and Allah deceived. And Allah is the best of deceivers. Now, Muslims have been running around in the park trying to work around from the clear and obvious Arabic, the meaning of the Arabic word here, which actually means deceive. They have been running around saying, well, this is not scheming, this is not deceiving, this is scheming. Apparently some sort of a neutral word. There is a problem, and the problem is, in that very statement, two entities are compared. The Islamic Allah and some Christians of that time. And the Islamic Allah is referring to the behavior of some Christians. And he is saying they did something. And he is saying that is bad. I don't like it. Obviously, if what they were doing was neutral, there wouldn't be any issue. Islamic Allah wouldn't even bring that up. But he brings that up because he is upset. They are doing bad stuff. What is the bad stuff? Scheming in this translation, which is inaccurate translation, deceiving. They say something, do something else. Is the meaning in the context of the chapter 3, Surah 3. They do that. They do bad stuff. Because they do bad stuff, I am upset with them. And then he goes on and breaks the entire case, presents the entire case against him. Because he goes on to say, oh, are they doing bad stuff? Guess what? I can do the same bad stuff, and I am the worst in this. I am the best. I do this bad stuff to the greatest extent possible. In other words, did they lie? Did they say something and do something else? I am the worst in that behavior, which is what we would say is pathological deception, deceiver, pathological liar. That being the Islamic Allah, why would any sensible person follow him? It's not just here, my dear Muslim friends. Over and over and over again, multiple places. Go through the context. The context is clear. Bad behavior. I do the same bad behavior to a greater extent. As a matter of fact, I am the one who does that to the greatest extent possible. If that is bad behavior, what is this that I do? Pathological lying. So give up on Islamic Allah, because the worldview he presents, given that he himself confesses that he is a pathological liar, cannot be trusted. Come to Jesus Christ. What does he say? I am the way, the truth, and the life. Only the truth can uphold all things.
Right.
Only the truth can bring together all things in a consistent manner. If God was a liar, can I please recommend something to anyone who is watching? If God was a liar, let's not waste our time. We might as well give up. Because if God was a liar, who is there to say heaven exists?
Exactly.
Who is there to say he is going to do good things to us if we follow him? Who is there to say that he would do anything according to what he says? If he is a liar, and especially the best in that, he is the worst person to be trusted.
Exactly.
Move away from him. Thankfully, the Christian worldview, logically consistent, coherent, meaningful. Come to Jesus Christ to be saved. That's my recommendation here.
Well done, Arun. God bless you.
Hello, Jesus.